In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a professional profile on Indeed, an essential tool for anyone looking to streamline their job search process and connect with potential employers. This is a crucial step for getting your resume out there and increasing your job prospects. The process is straightforward, and I'll guide you through each step, making sure you understand not only what to do, but why it matters. So let's dive right in. First things first, you'll need to open your preferred web browser and head over to the Indeed website. Once you're there, you're going to see a clean, user-friendly interface. The homepage is designed to help you navigate easily to the section that interests you, but for our purposes today, we'll focus on setting up your personal profile. Creating a profile is like putting together a digital business card, so to speak. It gives potential employers a snapshot of who you are and what you bring to the table. Once you've reached the Indeed homepage, the next thing you need to do is log into your account. If you don't have one yet, registering is easy. Just follow the prompts to create an account using your email. Once logged in, navigating to your profile is as easy as clicking your name or the profile icon, typically located at the upper right corner of the page. This will take you to your personal profile area where you can make edits and updates. Now the exciting part, uploading your resume. Find the option that allows you to upload your resume. You should see a button labeled Upload Resume. Clicking this will prompt you to select a file from your computer. Here, you want to make sure your resume is up to date, polished, and formatted correctly as either a PDF or Word document. These formats ensure that the document can be viewed uniformly across different devices and platforms. Once your resume is uploaded, the system might allow you to fill out additional sections to enhance your profile. This might include skill sets, educational background, and professional history. Take the time to fill out as much information as you can. The more thorough you are, the more attractive your profile will be to potential employers. And just like that, you're done. The creation and optimization of your Indeed profile is a fantastic way to enhance your job search efforts. Remember, the more active and engaged you are on platforms like these, the better your chances are at landing your dream job. Keep your profile updated regularly and don't hesitate to apply to jobs that align with your career goals. Thank you for watching, and I hope you found this guide helpful. If you have any more questions, feel free to reach out or check out more of our guides for additional tips. Best of luck with your job search journey.